What if I told you that ChatGPT, the AI you use for writing, coding, and ideas, is only the beginning? What if the real AI revolution is something far more powerful? Something that doesn't just answer questions, but takes action. Today, we're diving into a critical question: AI agents versus ChatGPT. Who is more powerful? Who controls the future? And most importantly, where do humans fit in this new world? Stay till the end, because this might change how you see AI forever. What exactly is ChatGPT? Let's start with what most people already know: ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a conversational AI model. It's designed to understand human language and respond intelligently. You ask a question, it gives an answer. You ask it to write a script, it writes it. You ask it to explain a topic, it explains it clearly. ChatGPT is incredibly powerful for content creation, learning and education, coding and debugging, brainstorming ideas, planning and strategy. But here's the limitation most people ignore: ChatGPT is reactive. It waits for your command. It doesn't start tasks on its own. It doesn't take independent decisions, and it doesn't execute real-world actions by itself. Think of ChatGPT as a brilliant brain, smart, fast, knowledgeable, but without hands or legs. What are AI agents? Now let's talk about the next evolution of AI: AI agents. An AI agent is not just an assistant, it's a goal-oriented system. Instead of asking it questions, you give it a goal. For example, increase my online sales, manage customer support, build and maintain a website, analyze this data and optimize performance. Once the goal is set, the AI agent breaks the goal into tasks, creates its own plan, chooses the right tools, executes actions, monitors results, adjusts strategy automatically. No constant human input required. AI agents can send emails, schedule meetings, run ad campaigns, manage databases, control software systems, even communicate with other AI agents. In simple terms, AI agents are digital workers. They don't sleep, they don't complain, they don't forget, and they work 24/7. AI agents versus ChatGPT, the real difference. Let's compare them directly. ChatGPT responds to prompts, needs human instructions, limited to conversation and suggestions, great for thinking and creativity. AI agents work toward goals, act independently, use multiple tools, execute real tasks, operate continuously. ChatGPT says, here's how you can do it. AI agents say, I've already done it. ChatGPT is like a genius advisor. AI agents are like an entire company working for you. And here's the truth most people miss: many AI agents use ChatGPT or a similar model as their brain. So it's not replacement, it's evolution. Real-world use cases. AI agents aren't just futuristic concepts anymore, they're already here. In e-commerce, AI agents manage inventory, adjust prices dynamically, predict customer demand. In marketing, they optimize ads, run A/B tests, analyze user behavior. In finance, they execute algorithmic trades, monitor risks, and detect fraud. In customer support, they handle thousands of users simultaneously, learn from past conversations, and improve responses automatically. Companies aren't just experimenting anymore, they are replacing entire workflows with AI agents. Threat or opportunity? Now comes the uncomfortable question: are AI agents dangerous? The answer depends on who you are. For people who ignore AI, yes, it's a threat. For people who refuse to adapt, it's a disaster. But for those who learn how to design AI agents, control AI systems, and integrate AI into business, this is the biggest opportunity of the decade. The future won't belong to people who work harder, but to people who work smarter with AI. So who wins? AI agents or ChatGPT? The real answer is they win together. AI agents provide intelligence, AI agents provide execution, and humans? humans become architects of intelligence, not victims of it. If you want AI to work for you, not against you, start learning now. Like this video, subscribe for more future tech content, and comment below. Are you Team ChatGPT or Team AI Agents?